What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We in here with another video. And today what we're gonna be working on, we're gonna be trying to figure out this freaking throttle body code that we keep getting. But before we get to the video, man, I do want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. We steady growing, we steady creeping up there, we are almost at 1,100 subscribers, so I appreciate everybody for that who has hit that subscribe button. Definitely finna start dropping more videos, more consistent. I'm gonna get out, start going to these car shows, start get out there, start advertising the platform, man. I'm about to create a logo for CLG, Chevy Life Garage. So we're gonna have some merch coming soon for that, man. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. Let's keep growing, let's keep moving and grooving, and let's keep this thing moving, man. So the codes I keep getting is either the throttle body or the accelerator pedal. When the throttle body code throws, when the throttle body code throws, then the acceleration pedal code is gone. I have already upgraded I have already replaced the throttle body. I think I posted this video a while back, but I've already upgraded the throttle body. And now the code that I'm getting is acceleration pedal. So got the acceleration pedal code. It's pending, and look, there go the throttle body code. So throttle body and acceleration pedal. So both of them going hand in hand. Throttle body already been replaced. So now we finna fool with the acceleration pedal. This is the sensor. I see a lot of people replace the whole pedal, but you can just replace the sensor. I got this sensor off I got this sensor off Amazon for like $40. If you buy it from the auto parts store, they're charging double. So I guess I will understand why people would buy the actual pedal. I guess because you can get the pedal for the same price as you would the sensor. But let's get up in here. So in order to replace the sensor, that's the sensor right there. You see that big old box? So that's the sensor. That's the plug you remove. So we're gonna remove the plug by pulling that. And then I'm trying to position y'all so where I can. And then you'll lift up on this tab. Hold on, you'll lift up on this tab and pull it out. All right, so I think it's 10mm bolts. You got that one right there, and then you got one back there. If you can see it hiding behind that spring. You got that bolt right there. Those two bolts is the bolts you take out to remove the pedal. So I'm going to get this pedal removed, throw the new sensor in there, and hopefully it clears my code. So give me one moment, I'll cut you back on here shortly. Okay, we back. And as you can tell, I got the pedal out. It was the two 10mm bolts right there, but I had to fight with the top one to get the top one out due to the placement. Now what we're gonna do is remove the sensor. So in order to remove the sensor, it is a Torx security bolt. You can see that hole in it. So you just can't use a regular Torx bit. You have to use a security Torx. As you can see, the little hole, the little dimple, the hole go right over that. So I had to run to go buy that because I didn't have any. I just had regular Torx bits. So Now I have security. So this is the original one, and this is the new one. I'm gonna take this one apart to see. What's going on in there. Cause it don't sound like it's messed up, but who knows? And then we gonna put that new one, that new on there. You know what I'm saying? We gonna slide that new on there. And you gotta line that slit up with that gold piece. So and obviously it's not working with me, so there we go. Got it on there, got it lined up. We got to shoot them screws back in that boy. You know what I'm saying? Shoot that screw back up in there. And hopefully this fixed the problem. If not, I'll just be ooh, that one was too hard. If not, I'll just be doing a If not, I'll just be doing a warranty exchange on the throttle body that I purchased, because I purchased it in April. I don't think I put it on until when did I put it on? And then you gotta line this back up, guys. So there we go. I bought it in April. I didn't put it on until May, I think. Hold on, let me set you down. All right, YouTube. So I am back. And you see I got the pedal back installed, but the issue that I was having was once I installed the pedal with the new accelerator position sensor. God dang, I don't know why I couldn't get that out. But once I installed the pedal with the new sensor on the pedal, I was still getting cold. So you see I got the P20 for throttle / pedal position sensor. What else I got? And throttle pedal position sensor again. Throttle pedal position sensor again. Throttle pedal position sensor again. So I was still getting that code, and that was with the new one. I put the old one back on, still getting the codes. So what I'm about to do now is, versus replacing the whole throttle body, I'm about to replace that sensor. So I'm gonna replace that sensor and see how that works. And if I still get the code with the new sensor, then I'll put the new throttle body position sensor on there. Then I'll put the accelerator position sensor back on there. But if I don't, then I'm gonna leave it alone. So what I'm gonna do is end this video right here, go order the throttle body position sensor, and then I'll cut you back on when I get it and it's time to install. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below, man. Let me know if you can tell me what's going on. In a previous video a while ago, I grounded the box right there. I had re-grounded it, so that's that ground wire going from the ground to that box. This is a new throttle body. It was working good, so I'm thinking it's gonna be this throttle body because it was working good. I didn't have the code, and then they said, the review said, get back down here. The review said that this only lasts about 5 or 6 months, so I'm just gonna replace that and keep my old pedal position sensor on there, and then if it don't work, we'll go from there. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. I'll catch you back on once I get that new throttle body position sensor. It's your boy Chevy Life Garage checking out with another video. Peace.